Hey, cybersecurity students. Welcome back to CyberTutor. In today's episode of our Artificial Intelligence for Cybersecurity Student series, we're exploring an important technology used in AI, high-performance computing, and even cybersecurity research, OpenCL. We'll cover what OpenCL is, how it works, its role in AI systems, and its impact on cybersecurity. Let's break it down in a simple way. What is OpenCL? OpenCL, short for Open Computing Language, is a framework that allows software to run tasks across multiple computing devices at the same time, such as CPUs, GPUs, AI accelerators, FPG. As in simple terms, OpenCL helps programs use the power of many processors simultaneously to perform complex calculations faster. This is extremely useful for artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analysis, and scientific computing. How OpenCL works. Simple mechanism. OpenCL works using a parallel computing model. One host program. The main application, host, sends instructions to devices like GPUs. Two compute devices. These devices perform heavy calculations simultaneously. Three kernels. Small programs called kernels run on the devices and process data in parallel. 4. Memory management. OpenCL manages data transfer between system memory and device memory. This allows massive workloads, like AI training or password cracking, to run much faster. OpenCL and artificial intelligence. OpenCL is widely used for machine learning training, neural network processing, image recognition, video analysis, large-scale data processing. Because GPUs can process thousands of tasks simultaneously, OpenCL makes AI systems much more efficient. Cybersecurity impact of OpenCL. While OpenCL helps accelerate AI and computing tasks, it also has important implications for cybersecurity. 1. Password. Cracking acceleration. Attackers use GPU acceleration with OpenCL to perform billions of password guesses per second. Tools like Hashcat, John the Ripper use OpenCL to crack weak passwords faster. Malware performance optimization. Some advanced malware uses GPU resources to hide computations, perform crypto mining, evade CPU-based detection, AI security research. Cybersecurity researchers use OpenCL for malware analysis, machine learning detection models, anomaly detection systems, large-scale security simulations, security challenges related to OpenCL. Because OpenCL gives direct access to powerful hardware resources, it can introduce risks such as unauthorized GPU usage, crypto mining malware, GPU-based password attacks, side-channel vulnerabilities in hardware. This means system administrators must monitor both CPU and GPU resources. Why cybersecurity students should learn about OpenCL. Understanding OpenCL helps cybersecurity students understand how attackers accelerate password cracking, learn how AI security tools are built, analyze malware that uses GPU resources, understand high-performance computing and cyber defense. OpenCL shows how powerful computing frameworks can be used for both innovation and cyber attacks. As cybersecurity professionals, understanding these technologies helps us defend systems more effectively. If this video helped you understand OpenCL and its role in cybersecurity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content in our AI and cybersecurity series. Stay curious, stay secure. See you in the next video.